Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken into keema. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken. It's best if the chicken is partially frozen, as this makes it much easier to process into a fine mince. Cut the chicken into roughly 1-inch pieces before you begin. This preparation step is crucial for achieving the perfect keema texture, ensuring even grinding and a consistent final product for your delicious dishes. Now, let's move on to grinding the chicken. For this, you'll need a food processor equipped with a sharp S-blade. It's important to work in small batches, adding about 1 cup of chicken pieces at a time to avoid overcrowding the processor. Pulse the chicken in short bursts, checking the consistency frequently. Continue pulsing until the chicken reaches a texture similar to coarse ground meat, perfect for your keema recipe. Once your chicken is perfectly ground, it's time to infuse it with incredible flavor. Begin by sautéing finely chopped onions, fresh ginger, and garlic in a pan until they become fragrant and lightly golden. Next, add your ground chicken to the pan, breaking it up with a spoon as it cooks. Continue cooking until the chicken is thoroughly browned. Finally, stir in your chosen spices, such as turmeric, cumin, and chili powder, to create a rich and aromatic keema. To finish your delicious chicken keema, add diced tomatoes and about 1/2 cup of water to the pan, then let it simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a bright squeeze of lime juice for an extra burst of freshness. This dish is fantastic with rice or warm naan bread. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.